In this video, I'm going to show you best practice for editing and writing articles on a Joomla website, and this is assuming that your website has been built by us and you are using what's known as the JCE system for editing articles. So log into your website, and once you're logged in, you can click articles here or go to content and articles this way, and it will show you a list of the articles on your website. Let's click into test, and it brings up the JCE editor here. Now JCE has many features, but some are not all that useful for us. So for example, it doesn't allow you to choose the font family and font size here, but when you do that, it means that you are setting a specific style for this text, and if you want that font throughout the website, you have to go and edit this on every single page. So it's better that this is set throughout the website in the coding of the template, and I would recommend that you don't change the font family and font size here, but you can instead use features like bold, italics, underline. You can also choose different types of headings for different sizes and different impact, and that will enable the best possible styling of your text. Now, when it comes to adding images, click on the insert image button, and they will bring up the pictures on your website. You can browse through the folders, click any picture to add it, or you can click to upload an image. The image dimensions shouldn't be too big, so you shouldn't normally have a picture shown at more than 300 to 400 pixels wide. So you can edit what is here under dimensions, and you can make an image smaller or bigger, but when you make it bigger it won't be as clear. I normally will align an image to the right or to the left. That will put the image to the right or left of the text and will make it appear quite nice on your page. You can set a margin, which is a bit of space on either side of the image. Click the tab button, and there we go, we've got 5 across the board. And you can add an image border if you want. I wouldn't normally do that. And the alternative text is very useful for search engines. So put in here a key phrase that describes what this is all about. Maybe it's your super special product. Describe it here very briefly, and then click insert. So there's our image on the right hand side. Here's the text on the left. If you want to divide text into a table, JCE has got a table feature here, but it's not normally mobile friendly. I would recommend instead to use this feature here called create columns. So let's create 3 columns like this, 1, 2, 3, and then you can add or delete columns. This will be more mobile friendly and will adjust very nicely to different screens. So that's how I'd recommend adding text that you want to appear in columns. Just be aware though that when it reorganizes it on a mobile screen, the number 2 might appear below number 1 and number 3 below number 2. So if your content needs to be side by side, use a table, but just be aware that it won't format nicely on small screens. Finally, adding links. Mark the text that you want to create a link, click insert link, and then choose from your menus is normally the best approach. Go to main menu and create the link to the page you want. You can change the text of the link and click insert. You can also remove the link by clicking unlink.